I'm in prison. A lot of niggas out there on the gay shit. They acting like they got bitches, but they really on swipe. Niggas don't keep eye level. That's why I don't like doing that joint shower. These niggas out there on some fag shit. That nigga Mo C was up to getting fucked by G-Rider. They said a crip in the blood was up under the blanket. Up that motherfucker, they worked in the kitchen. They said they was having a peace treaty, sucking on each other. It was Halloween time. He said he didn't want a trick, he said he wanted a treat. Dear Mercedes, tell me what to do. These niggas on fag shit, sucking on dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form and give me a conticle. Bitch, stay true. Dear Mercedes, tell me what to do. These niggas faggots up there sucking dick, giving up ass, and I need a marriage form and I want to get a conticle. Sadie, stay true. Chocolate Sadies, tell me what to do. These niggas up there sucking dick, giving up ass. Send marriage form and let's get conticle. Bitch, stay true. Dear Shaisha, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form and let me get conticle. Stay true. I've been through a lot. I've been looking at these motherfuckers cuz they say them niggas was up to tongue kissing on the wall. Them niggas supposed to play handball. Why the fuck you niggas is up there scamming? You motherfuckers got the X-Files, Motor and Scully scanning. You niggas up there touching on these motherfuckers each other ass. You fuck each other so much in your ass that your skin turn colors. Is that peach? I be like, goddamn, I don't wanna even look at these niggas, don't wanna even go to the child. The two niggas that was up there sucking dick wild had all the motherfucking cum dripping off their lips. Them niggas up there passing out the food. I can't believe these goddamn faggot fools. Dear Jennifer, Jen, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please see a marriage form and let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. Hey, LaShonda, tell me what to do. LaShonda from Santana too. Christopher from Santana. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. All crystals. Please tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form. Let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. All Robins. Hey, please tell me what to do. These niggas up there sucking dick, giving up ass. Please see a marriage form and let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. Dear M. Rue, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick up there, giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. As I be a motherfucker, cuz I'm a realer. I be like I'm unchained. I ain't fucking with the motherfucking faggots, man. That's why I wasn't in the rush when I was in the LA County to get a fourth whiff to catch the chain. Man, things ain't changed. They had niggas up under the Bronx. They said chop chop. They said he was sucking so much dick that his motherfucking tongue went numb. These niggas out there acting so dumb. I remember Lil Biggie from Southside said, cause he got a little time, but now he coming home. He said he gonna have blood on his nice shit on his dick. I don't want my nigga go down out like that. Send the twins from the south. I told you girls that I wanna just, oh yeah, that's X-Lo girls. That nigga will shoot you down, have your head explode like a pumpkin that fell from the 40th floor in the motherfucking old folks home off of Oleander. That's in Palmer Hood, 425 South Oleander. Tell me why you niggas up there talking about that nigga Meek Mills look like a salamander. They say that nigga was fucking with transsexuals and kept his head and his tongue out up there between the transsexual thighs. Please, tell me what to do. Chocolate Mercedes, tell me what to do. These niggas out here sucking dick and they giving up the ass too. Please send marriage form and get conticle. Stay true. Hey Carmel, pretty glowing eyes. Mercedes, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass. Send marriage form, let me get conticle. Bitch, stay true. Dear Marcerie, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up the ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico, bitch, stay true. Dear Freyshawn, tell me what to do. These niggas up in the pen, sucking on dick, giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico, bitch, stay true. As I be a realer nigga, I ain't tripping off of nothing. I be a bigger figure as these niggas hating on the nigga. Don't wanna see me up here just doing my thing. I ain't been motherfucking tripping off of nothing as I'm sagging low. Jonathan Barnes called himself ruthless, but he got no features. Palmer Dave, you claiming Palmer, you ain't Palmer, you bitch made. They say him and Jonathan Barnes was fucking the motherfucking each other in the ass. Them nigga gay. Frost and Bamboo. Frost could barely walk when he came out of the motherfucking cell. Niggas, you wobbling. Why you leaning to the side? That's too much motherfuckers like leaning to one side. He looking like he about to fall. That nigga was up there snitching. That's why that nigga was scared when he came out the program. Bitch ass nigga claiming Carter Park. Nigga, wait, nah. Shut your bitch ass up, Jason. Cut that beard off, nigga. You ain't no Mason. You tryna be like Horts? Like Baby Maniac from Hard Time Hustling the 10-4. Bitch ass nigga, man, I told you to get your ass off that gay shit 10-4. At ease, I'ma beat your ass, nigga, as I pistol whoop you with that big 4-4. Get your bitch ass on the floor. Hey, Jen, tell me what to do. These niggas faggots sucking on dick, giving up the ass in the marriage form. Let me get a Contico. Bitch, stay true. Dear Miss Lear, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Hey, please send marriage form and let me get Contico. Dear Westfield, tell me what to do. These niggas up there sucking on dick, giving up the ass in the pen. Please send marriage form and let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Dear Anderson, Miss, hey, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. I've been down for a long time. I always gonna tell you niggas that I ain't gonna deny it. I could've been my own motherfucking lawyer. Call me Matlock. And my Mason. I be Perry. I'm Dick Van and I got dick and I'm dyke. Well, it's Mary Tyler Moore. When she first was on that show, she had her ass. I know her pussy fat. They should've let them show they pussy more. I wanna see Ethel, Lucy and that friend without their clothes. I wish I could've seen the poem. I know Ricky was trying to fuck them all. I know you tried to fuck Ethel. And I know you tried to fuck that friend. And any of them bitches that was with that band. Hey, dear Mercedes, tell me what to do. Hey, these niggas out here sucking dick in the pen, giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Hey, bitch, chocolate Sadie, tell me what to do. See, you got your shades on. These niggas up in the pen sucking on dick, and they up there giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Dear Keisha, tell me what to do. These niggas up here sucking dick, giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Stay true. Dear Jasmine, tell me what to do. These motherfuckers up here acting up, sucking dick and giving up the ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. I'll be a nigga that's gonna tell you, baby, I already knew. With your pretty eyes, you play with your pussy as you look at a nigga. You be like, I be a real rough and a rugged nigga. I be like, man, I'ma do or die. I'ma ride. Told you, baby girl, man, ain't no suicide. As I look in your beautiful eyes. Told you, baby girl, I sell some eyes. Dear Tyra Banks, tell me what to do. These niggas up in the motherfucking pen, sucking on dick, giving up ass. These niggas faggots, please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Dear Raynisha, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking on dick, giving up ass in the pen like motherfucking faggots. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. On the block, gang don't bang. I be like, goddamn, it's hard to stay sane. Niggas up there acting like they be that nigga. I be looking at motherfuckers like you's a fake nigga. Dear Nisha from neighborhood, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Acting like straight faggots. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Hey, dear Deborah, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Acting like straight fags. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. Dear Lord Helen, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, and I wanna get Contico. Bitch, please stay true. Am I blind as I'm looking at these niggas and they be acting like they be that faggot guy? There go a lot of motherfuckers trying to go up in that motherfucking transsexual as they be like they go Tracy. Little Raymond Slim, too slim, went home. He on the Greyhound, he seen Tracy, he went right in. You on the street? Is you fagging street? You street, you fag, you bitch ass nigga. What happened, nigga? Man, that's your bad. Niggas up there having like a 20-month motherfucking meeting. On shell, man, they are motherfucking DP and they got the paperwork that he snitching. Blue Rock had the whole motherfucking yard and Ironwood up there shitty and stinking. He was up there stalking Tracy, the motherfucking transsexual punk. Dear Mercedes, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, please send Contico. Bitch, please stay true. Dear Marie, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico. Bitch, stay true. I be like it's a dime in a dozen and a dime. Baby girl, man, I'm just trying to tell you that I'm so motherfucking fly as I sprawl. Looking at these motherfuckers, these niggas is lost. These niggas acting like they something, man, I could tell that I'm a boss. I ain't never had to tell a nigga what it is. When I see you motherfucking man, know that it's the kid. I'll be a real motherfucking man, I'ma bust that leg. Bust him in the leg, bitch ass nigga got stabbed. You got infection. Please, J. Nisha, Bonnie Hunters, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form Contico, bitch, stay true. Hey, dear Tanner Crystal, tell me what to do. These niggas sucking dick, giving up ass, please send marriage form Contico, bitch, please stay true. Dear Violet, tell me what to do. Dear Taisha, tell me what to do. These bitch ass niggas up in the pen, sucking dick, giving up the ass. Please send marriage form, let me get Contico, stay true. I don't know what the fuck going on. Is these niggas up there acting like they got it going on? If they don't wear no drawers with their CDC pants on, I be like up on the CDC bitches. Miss Smith, let me get up in you, missus. Purple ass got it good. Let me tell my counselor as I put my dick out. It be thick and it's fat and it's chocolate. Please don't have to make me have to register as a sex offender. I wanna be able to live by schools, cause I know that I got a kid and I wanna be able to walk them to school. It's embarrassing if I can't be around my kids, cause I got some bullshit on my jacket trying to jack off to a CO bitch cause I pulled out. Everybody know that they want my dick in their mouth. Niggas snitching cause they be like my Wiggins that was in LA County in 2006 was all up on my dick and she told me to fall back, never that. I don't want the third strike, but I know I want that. Dear Mercedes, tell me what to do. Dear Tatiana, tell me what to do. These bitch ass niggas up here sucking up dick and giving up the ass. Please see marriage form, let me get Contico, bitch, stay true. Dear Tisha, tell me what to do. These bitch ass niggas sucking on dick, giving up the ass. These niggas faggots in the pen. Please send motherfucking marriage form and a Contico, bitch, stay true. Dear Alicia, tell me what to do. These bitch ass niggas sucking on dick, giving up the ass, and they up there sucking dick. They faggots, please send marriage form, and I want you to give me a Contico, bitch, stay true. Dear Erica, tell me what to do. These bitch ass niggas sucking dick, giving up ass in the pen. Please send marriage form and give me a Contico, bitch, stay true. Hey, cuz. Dear Mercedes, you gotta tell me what to do. I'm not no motherfucking faggot in this motherfucker. Hey, baby, I need you. Send marriage form and Contico, bitch, stay true.